Okay, once your money is once you have your account open and your money is in your account, I'm still waiting on hours to come in right now. But once you have your money in your account, right, you're going to come over to right here where it says invest rating. You're going to search for 4 figures, just like the number 4, FIG, and hit the enter key. It'll populate up right here, right? Okay. You're going to click on invest. Now, right now, we don't have any money in our account yet because we're waiting for it to get over there, but you're going to put minimum $300, right? It says saying this right here because we don't have any money in the account yet, but you're going to put minimum $300. Then you're going to come over, you're going to put your take profit, set your take profit at 1 million. This is say 1 million, right? Reason that is because if you put a take profit in there, let's just say you want to double the account. So you put 600 in there. That's how you do it. You say, I want to double the account. 600, or I want to make up to $500. You'll put the number in there. But if you do that and we go over, you don't make it, right? So just put the take profit at 1 million. We haven't got to 1 million yet, but we're going to get there, guys. We haven't got there yet. But just put 1 million, and the stop loss is how much money you are looking that you can afford to lose. Let's just say everything goes completely crazy and we blow the account. Well, you're willing to lose. If you got 300, no matter what happens, you don't want to lose more than $100, right? So no matter what we do, your account will slop at $100 in loss, right? You can't blow your account. So you put on there. So if you say 300, you say the max you're going to lose is 100. You want to keep it at 200. Then that means if we go in the drawdown by $100, it's going to cut you out. But if we go and draw down by $100 and we come back around, you're out of the account though. So, just whatever you want, whatever you got in your account, whatever you're willing to let your account drop down to, the minimum of what you want to drop down to, okay? And then withdrawal account goes to the ECN account that you put up there, right? And then you're going to click deposit. Now, I'm not clicking deposit right now because we're the master account, so, but you'll click deposit and then you'll be ready to go.